everyone, how are you? So today I'm bringing you another video all about, how important it is to do the work in the subconscious mind, okay? And why we want to bring what's in the unconscious mind or subconscious mind into the conscious awareness. And the thing is the reason we want to do that is because this, right? The subconscious is running all the time. It's running our programs that were downloaded when we were a child, okay? So we've got these old programs running around relationships, money, health, career, like everything, every area of your life, you name it, you've got programs running that were usually, if you haven't done any work at all, created, if you haven't done any inner work before, were created when you were a child, okay? And so when you embark on this journey of conscious manifesting, which is basically bringing what we want into our physical reality, right, which is our three-dimensional reality, and when we embark on this journey, we've got some inner work to do, right? And so say, for example, we're working on money, okay, would have all these different beliefs about money that were created or downloaded when we were a child around money. And so once we start doing the work on money and we start looking at the unconscious programs that we've got sitting in that subconscious mind, right? When we start to bring that into our awareness, we then start to have choice about whether we choose to believe that anymore, okay? And this is the beauty of doing that inner work, because half the time we don't even know why we're doing what we're doing because it's automatic. We don't know half the time why we are getting the results we are getting because, once again, it's the programming in the subconscious mind that's automatic. And then the three-dimensional reality is reflecting back these programs for us, okay? And so when we start to do that inner work, like we can just do things like, looking at money, what do I believe about money? What did I see growing up around money, right? And then we start to bring that into the conscious awareness. We can just do that in a journal, as simple as that. I do find, because I work with flower essences, and I do find that when you're taking the flower essences, they will actually start to present what's sitting in the subconscious mind, depending on what we're working on. And then it will start to bring up those old beliefs and thoughts and things like that. And then once it comes into the conscious awareness, you then have choice. You then have choice to choose whether you want to believe that anymore. And if you don't want to believe that anymore, what do you want to believe? And start to choose the new thought, the new belief that you actually want to believe. So then you create it in your three-dimensional reality. It will be reflected back to you, if that makes sense. So, because everything that's being reflected back to you in your reality right now is from your programming, right? And I actually did another video on that, talking about how everyone has a different experience with money. I talked specifically about money, but it can be, related to anything in your life, any areas like relationship, health, whatever. People get different results in their life because of the different beliefs and perceptions that they have about those particular areas, okay? And so, what I'm saying here is that if you want to change your experience, your reality, your circumstances, whatever you're going through at the moment, with whatever area you're struggling with, and in this case, we're talking about money as an example, you need to look at what is going on in that subconscious mind, those subconscious beliefs, bring them to the surface, and then, look at them like, I don't want to believe that anymore. And then ask yourself, what do I want to believe instead? Okay? Because like I said, the more you bring up from the unconscious mind, the subconscious mind, into your conscious awareness, the more you have choice to choose what you now want to create. All right? I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you've got any questions. Just pop them in the comments. And yeah, do the little exercises I've just explained in this video as well. Super powerful. It'll change your reality. I'm telling you now. I know it. I've done it, right? And yeah, start to get those subconscious programmings out of there. Get them away, get them cleared. They were downloaded when you were a child from 0 to 7. And it was when you really didn't have that critical faculty. Why can't I ever say that? Critical faculty in your brain to discern that, no, I don't actually want to believe that. It was just purely downloaded in. It just, you know, you don't have, like, I would say, like the guard at the gate saying, no, I don't want to believe this. You just believe everything because you're in a brainwave state that is the same as hypnosis, okay? Because in hypnosis, that's what happens. That critical faculty, you know, it softens and comes down, and then we can reprogram into the subconscious mind much faster because it'll accept it, and you will be able to impress it much faster because you haven't got that guard at the gate going, no, 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 this doesn't match us. I'm not having it come in. You just, that's down. That defense is down. And same with when you were a child. So, you know, you just downloaded and you didn't really have a choice. There wasn't much choice. You just had to choose. It was all about survival. Just download it in. How are we going to survive in this world, right? But now you're older. You've got choice. You can look at, oh, actually, no, I believe that then, and now I want to believe this. And then we start reprogramming that way. Alrighty? So I hope this all makes sense. And as I said, let me know if you have any questions, and go out there, start doing the inner work, get whatever's in the subconscious out, and start making conscious choices so that then in your three-dimensional reality, what you want to do with money or anything else in your life can be reflected back, and you can live your most amazing, awesome, beautiful dream life that you so want. Alrighty, have an amazing day. Bye.